Hi friends, again we are back with a new video, that is the concept of IC package types and what is the temperature ranges of IC and how the manufacturer designations of IC will be. Okay, which means that if you observe this IC, it has an indication that is LM. This code indicates which manufacturer will producing or developing this kind of ICs. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's get into the concept. Now we are going to see what is IC package types. In general, we are having only three package types. One is metal can package, and second one is dual inline package, and third one is ceramic flat package. Okay, so these are the different types of packages that are readily available, and also for which application which type of package that can be used, that is decided by the user. Now we are going to see in brief what is the metal can package and how it looks like, what is a dual in package and what is ceramic flat package, and what are the factors that are affecting in order to select these IC package types. We are going to see the metal can package in brief. So here in this metal can packages, the metal sealing plane is at the bottom over which the chip is bounded. Here this plane, that is the metal sealing plane, is very effective in order to absorb the heat dissipation. So for the power amplifier applications also we can use the metal can packages, and these metal can packages is also called a transistor pack since it also permits the external heat sink. Okay, so these metal can packages are available with 3 pin, 5 pin, 8 pin, 10 and 12 pins. So for if any application is having an heat sink, then these metal can package ICs are useful. Now next we can see the second one, that is the dual inline packages. So here in the dual inline packages, the chips are mounted below the ceramic or a plastic case, and here these dual inline packages are available with minimum number of pins is 8. So the minimum number of pins is 8 for dip, we can call it as a mini dip. So a mini dip is nothing but it consists of an 8 pins, and the dual inline packages are maximally used in commercial applications, that is a day-to-day life applications, and the dip packages are available with 8, 12, 14, 16 and 20 pins. Okay, so the metal can packages are used for heat sink applications, whereas the dual inline packages are used for commercial applications. And the third package is flat top package or a ceramic flat packages. Here these flat packages are considered only when your application is having a space criteria. Okay, if your application is having a space is critical, then these compact packages are used. Here in this type, this chip is enclosed with a rectangular ceramic case, and here the terminals are taken out through the side and ends. The flat packages are available with 8, 10, 14 and 16 leads, or we can call it as 16 pins. So these flat packages are useful only when your application is having a parameter that is a space is critical, then we are using this flat packages. Now we are going to see what are the factors that are affecting for the selection of IC packages. So the first factor, that is the power to be dissipated. Okay, and the second factor is if there is an heat sink, then we can select these IC packages, and third one is the cost, weight of a package and the ease of fabrication. So these are the factors that are affecting the selection of an IC package. Now we are going to see what are the temperature ranges of an IC that is used. So for the military applications, the IC should be having a range of temperature that is minus 55 degrees centigrade to plus 25 degrees centigrade. It is the typical value, and the most commonly used value is minus 55 degrees centigrade to 85 degrees centigrade. And the second one is the industrial temperature range. So in the industrial application, the IC has to tolerate the temperature that is minus 20 degrees centigrade to plus 85 degrees centigrade, and most commercially used is minus 40 degrees centigrade to plus 85 degrees centigrade. And the third one is a commercial temperature range. This commercial temperature range is nothing but the ICs that are used in day-to-day life applications. and here it operates with a temperature range of 0 degrees centigrade to plus 70 degrees centigrade, and maximum use is 0 degrees centigrade to plus 75 degrees centigrade. So these are the temperature ranges for mainly three applications. One is a military application, second one is an industrial application, and third one is a commercial or day-to-day life application. Now we are going to see what is the name indicate which company manufacturer is developing this type of IC. So the next one is the manufacturer designations for linear ICs. Okay, if the company Fairchild is providing or developing some ICs, then the top of an IC is indicated with mu A or mu AF. If it is National Semiconductor, then it is indicated with LM, LH, LF, TBA, which means that if it is, let us suppose the op amp. Okay, so the op amp number generally we are considering is 741. If the op amp top name is indicated with LM741, then it indicates that the National Semiconductor is developing the operational amplifier ICs with number 741. Okay, and the third one is a Motorola, which is MC and MFC code, RCA, CA and CD. Texas Instruments, it is code with SN. Signetics, it is NE by SC or N by S. Burr Brown, it is BB. So these are the manufacturer designations of ICs that are developed in day-to-day life. Thank you.